front of me I've got Chevrolet Aveo. In this video I'll show you how to access and enable secret features in this car. In the beginning, let's start with changing units. In order to change units, go to menu, press it once and then twist this button, and here you can change units. You can select unit type 3, 1 and 2. Also, thanks to this menu, you can change indicator of the fuel. Enter it and you can switch between full empty and 1-0. Next, take a look at the screen display. Thanks to screen display, you can go to settings and vehicle settings. Right here, you've got plenty of settings for your vehicle. For example, comfort and convenience, collision detection, lighting, power door locks, lock-unlock settings, and rear camera option. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.